Welcome to Forex Secrets Unveiled, Insider Tips. In this video, I'll share valuable insights and strategies to help you navigate the Forex market successfully. By the end, I'll reveal a special bonus tip that can give you an edge in your trading journey. So, let's get started. Understanding the Forex market is crucial for any trader. It's a global marketplace where currencies are exchanged, and profits can be made by capitalizing on currency price movements. Here are some key concepts you need to know. Firstly, familiarize yourself with terms like pip, which represents the smallest unit of price change in a currency pair, and leverage, which allows you to control larger positions with a smaller investment. Remember, knowledge is power in Forex trading. Now, let's talk about chart analysis. Two common approaches are fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis involves examining economic indicators, geopolitical events, and central bank policies to understand currency movements. Technical analysis, on the other hand, focuses on historical price patterns, trends, and indicators. By combining both fundamental and technical analysis, you can develop a well-rounded trading strategy. Always remember to set realistic goals and manage your risk wisely. Risk management is vital in Forex trading. Never risk more than you can afford to lose, and use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Additionally, diversify your portfolio by trading different currency pairs and consider using risk-reward ratios to assess potential profits against potential losses. It's important to stay updated on market news and events that can impact currency values. Economic calendars and news alerts can be valuable tools to help you stay informed and make well-informed trading decisions. Now, for the bonus tip I promised you. Here's a secret to help boost your trading performance: develop a trading plan and stick to it. A well-defined plan will guide your actions, prevent impulsive decisions, and increase your chances of success. Remember, Forex trading requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. By implementing these insider tips and the bonus secret, you'll be on your way to becoming a more skilled Forex trader. Stay tuned for more insightful videos, and happy trading!